Who could potentially be liable for my serious injuries in a California trucking accident? Attorney John Rosenberg explains, while there are likely many parties liable for the injuries, we start with the driver. The driver is the one responsible for the truck itself while traveling the roadways. Next, we look at the driver's employer, or the party who hired the driver to transport the goods. We might also investigate and look into the company who did maintenance on the truck, in case of equipment failure, and the owner of the goods that are being shipped by the truck. We also look at ownership of the tractor portion of any big rig and ownership of each trailer being hauled. We ask for copies of contracts between the driver, employer, and owner and the businesses who are being served during the trip when the collision occurred to find possible additional parties who may bear legal responsibility for a trucking collision. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.